Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a dark linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 45,422 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.